Hello, welcome back to our lesson and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see an information technology. What is information technology? So in this lesson we are going to see what hardware, what software, people, data and procedure is. We are also going to see identify the main reason for using IT, and we are going to explain the benefit of computer networking and discuss about components communication technologies. So stay tuned to our channel. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and if you have question or suggestion you can also give us a comment. Stay tuned. Let me start with an introductory part. As you know, technology play an important role in delivering timely and error-free information to its recipients. Technology includes hardware, software, database, and communication system. A database is an integral part of information technology system, which is collection of related files, tables, relations, and etc. So let me see the components of information technology or resources. Those are software, people, data, networks, and hardware. These five components make what? These five components makes information system or information technology. Hardware: computing, storing, and communicating. The basic computer operations. The basic computing operation is as follows. Let me see it one by one. The first one is it accepts the data, then it stores it, it also processes the data, it gives a result, and it controls all functions. The first one is input. Input is the process of entering a data and a program into the computer system. You should know that computer is an electronic machine like any other machine which takes inputs, raw data, and perform some processing giving output processed data. So here is the basic computer operations. It takes data as input from here. It transferred to storage unit. It is transferred it into output and there will be a result. Here there is a control, and the storage unit can be arithmetic logic, and there is also CPU. The second function of computer system is storing or storage. The process of saving data and instruction permanently is known as storage. Here the data has to be fed in the system before the actual processing starts. It is because the processing speed of central processing units is so fast that the data has to be provided to CPU with the same speed. The second one is processing. The task of performing operation like arithmetic and logical operation is called processing. The CPU takes data and instruction from the storage unit and makes all sorts of calculation based on the instructions given and types of data provided. It is then sent back to the storage unit. The fourth one is output. This is the process of producing results from the data for getting useful information. Similarly, the output produced by the computer after processing to must also be kept somewhere inside the computer before being given to you in human readable forms. Another one is control. The manner how instructions are executed and the above operations are performed is known as control. And this controlling function is done by CPU. Arithmetic Logical Unit. After you enter data through the input devices, it is stored in the primary storage unit. The actual processing of data and the instruction are performed by Arithmetic Logical Unit. The major operations performed by ALU are addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and comparison. Control unit. It acts like the supervisor, seeing that things are done in proper fashion. The control unit determines the sequence in which a computer programs and instructions are executed. Things like processing of programs stored in the main memory, interpretation of the instruction, and issuing of signal for other units of the computer to execute them. So, storage unit, there are two kinds of memory. Those are known as primary memory and another one is secondary memory. Primary memory is accessible directly by processing unit. RAM is an example of primary memory. As soon as the computer is switched off, the content of the primary memory is lost. You can store and retrieve data much faster with primary memory compared to secondary memory. The secondary memory, such as floppy disks, magnetic disks, is located outside the computers. Thus, primary memory is more expensive than secondary one. Computer memory is used to store two things. The first one is instruction and the second one is data. As program or set of instruction is kept in primary memory, the computer is able to follow instantly the set of instruction. For example, when you book a ticket from a railway reservation counter, the computer follows the same steps. It takes the request, check availability, and calculate the fair wage for money to be paid. So the primary memory also, as you know, is the computer is in the forms of integrated circuits. These circuits are called random access memory or RAM. There is the capacity of primary memory. Each cell of